My coworker took credit for my project and got promoted. Now she's had to send a company-wide email apology. I spent 4 months building an automated inventory system for our company. The Friday before the presentation to the executives, my coworker Vanessa asked to see the system. Just want to understand it in case anyone asks me questions as a senior team member. Monday morning, I woke up with food poisoning, violently ill. Called my boss Richard to say I'd be late but would make the 2 p.m. presentation. Don't worry about it, he said. Vanessa can present your slides. My slides. That felt wrong, but I was too sick to argue. By noon, I felt better enough to drive. Made it to the office at 1:30, just in time. The conference room was empty. Confused, I checked my calendar. The meeting had been moved to 10 a.m. Nobody told me. I found my team celebrating in the break room. Champagne and everything. There she is, Richard called out. Great work on Vanessa's system. Vanessa's system? The executives loved it, he continued. They fast-tracked her promotion to Senior Director of Innovation. I stood there, mouth open, while Vanessa avoided eye contact. She was holding a giant novelty check made out for $10,000, the innovation bonus, for my system. Wait, I said, that's my project. Richard laughed. Don't be jealous. We all contribute to Vanessa's success. No, I mean, I built that entire system, alone, for 4 months. Vanessa finally spoke. We all worked on it together, as a team. What team? You asked to see it for the first time on Friday. I've been overseeing your work, she said smoothly, guiding you. That's what senior members do. Richard nodded approvingly. That's leadership, Vanessa. Developing junior talent. Junior talent. I have a master's degree in computer science. Vanessa has a communications degree and can't open a PDF without help. I was being gaslit by my entire management chain. But here's where Vanessa made a critical error. During the presentation, she told the executives she built specific features, claimed she personally coded the predictive algorithm that was the system's crown jewel, even said she'd invented a new approach to machine learning for it. I'd recorded that presentation. The entire company meeting was auto-recorded for people who couldn't attend. The problem? The algorithm she claimed to invent was actually from a 2019 MIT paper, which I'd cited in my documentation, which Vanessa didn't know existed because she never read the documentation. Tuesday morning, Vanessa asked me to train her on our system. You know, for when I'm director. I'll need to understand the little details you handled. Little details. I smiled and agreed. I spent 3 days training her, but I trained her wrong, deliberately. Gave her passwords that would expire, showed her test environments instead of production, taught her commands that would work once before requiring authentication she didn't have. This seems complicated, she said, sweating as she took notes. Friday was her first presentation as senior director-elect. The executives wanted a demo of her brilliant system. I called in sick. Not poisoning this time. Just couldn't stomach watching. My friend Derek was there. He texted me play by play. She can't log in. Now she's saying the system is updating. She's trying to draw the algorithm on a whiteboard. She just said machine learning is when computers learn about machines. The CEO asked her about the MIT paper. She said she wrote it. Someone Googled it. Oh my god, she's doubling down. She's saying she used a pseudonym. The CEO is pulling up MIT's website. This is a bloodbath. The meeting ended with the executives very confused. Vanessa insisted she built everything but couldn't answer basic questions about her own invention. That afternoon, the CEO, Marcus, called me directly. I sat in his office while he pulled up the system logs, the Git commits, everything I'd documented. Did you build the system? Yes. Alone? Yes. Can you prove it? I logged into the actual system, not the test environment Vanessa knew. Showed him the code with my comments throughout. Pulled up the MIT paper I'd referenced. Explained the real algorithm, the one Vanessa couldn't even pronounce. Marcus listened silently, then called Richard and Vanessa in. Vanessa, please explain the discrepancy between your presentation and these logs. She tried. Said I was sabotaging her, that I was jealous, that I'd falsified the logs. Then she made her biggest mistake. Fine. Yes, she did the coding, but coding is grunt work. I'm the idea person. What was your idea? Marcus asked. To make an inventory system. That's not an idea. That's a category. What specific innovation did you contribute? Silence. Can you explain any part of how it works? It uses computers. Richard tried to save her. Vanessa provides strategic leadership. Richard, Marcus cut him off. Did you know she didn't build this? She said she guided the project. Did you verify that? Silence. Monday morning, Vanessa's promotion was rescinded. The $10,000 bonus was transferred to me, and I got a new title, Senior Director of Innovation. Vanessa wasn't fired, just moved to a different department. Data entry. No direct reports. No presentations. But the best part? She had to send a company-wide email apologizing for the confusion about the project's attribution. Richard had to send one too, about failures and verification.